Welcome to the Code Syndicate. In this episode, we will be discussing about the memory. By memory, I mean the random access memory or RAM in more general term. Before we begin, let me tell you that this video is for the very beginners who have just started learning programming or planning for it. It will not cover advanced topics and visuals used here are only to clear the concept and do not depict the real architecture. So without wasting time, let's begin. At first, we will discuss about 1-bit memory and the overall what memory is. 1-bit memory. Memory in general term is where we store our data. In RAM, we store data temporarily. Memory is a group of blocks where every block can store a bit. A bit or binary digit consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Before we discuss bits further, we will discuss what is a single memory block or cell. A memory block is, in electronic term, is a transistor which can switch to on or off state. The concept of binary digit comes from here where 1 represents on and 0 represents off. On or off state is determined by the amount of electricity going through it. The below visuals from the Khan Academy shows how transistors are switched on or off. How much electricity is needed to switch on the transistor depends on the transistor and its threshold voltage. If a transistor has a threshold voltage of 4.5 volts, then any voltage of 4.5 or higher will turn the transistor on. At lower voltages, the transistor stays off. Although the memory block is more than what we saw in the above diagram, the circuit inside the memory needs to store the state and also need a mechanism to inform the program that the memory cell is already storing data to prevent any kind of memory loss. But that is more electronics part and we'll cover it in some other videos. In a broader term, a memory cell or block stores a state either on, which can be called 1, or off, which we can say it's a 0, which is also called a bit of memory. 1 bit of memory is not enough to store more complex data, as it can store only 0 or 1. What if we want to store the digit 2 in the memory? To achieve this, we use multiple memory blocks. For example, to store number 2, we use 2 memory blocks. If we convert 2 to binary, it is 1, 0. So we store 1 in one block and 0 in other block. This way, we can store different types of data in memory cell.